Fast, efficient, flexible, smart and fully automatic, the Aardwolf mechanical lifters are designed to safely lift concrete pipes of different diameters. The design of the Aardwolf concrete pipe lifter overcomes the problem of the jaws not opening on set-down by incorporating a dual pivot-style lever mechanism, which acts not only as a multiplier of closing force, but also acts as a multiplier of jaw opening force on set-down. The center stay is adjustable in height, so that the clamp grips the different diameter pipes in the appropriate position, allowing the clamp to grip a larger diameter range of pipes in a secure manner. This, together with large skids at the base of the gripping pads, prevent the jaws from sinking into soft soil and allow the jaws to slide open over soft soil when lowered. Dual radius rubber gripping pad mounted on the main lifting arms conforms to an upper and lower range of pipe diameters. The dual radius system provides greater areas of surface contact of the gripping pads for pipes of various diameters. Patent pending. To find out more, or to contact us, please visit aardwolf.com.au.